sparrow. This is a sparrow. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Parrot. This is a parrot. Hummingbird. This is a hummingbird. Peacock. This is a peacock. Macaw. This is a macaw. Crow. This is a crow. Duck. This is a duck. Eagle. This is an eagle. Owl. This is an owl. Flamingo. This is a flamingo. Hen. This is a hen. Crane. This is a crane. Toucan. This is a toucan. Seagull. This is a seagull. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Now we will revise the name of all the birds. Sparrow, pigeon, parrot, hummingbird, peacock, macaw, crow, duck, eagle, flamingo, owl, hen, crane, toucan, seagull, ostrich. Thank you kids. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.